Bro, how's it going? Pushing Pistons is here.
Yo, it's good.
What's up, Omar? What's up, guys?
You're live right now?
Yeah, well, not really live, But we just started recording here with the Land Cruiser FJ. This is honestly, not the world premiere, but for the general public.
What's the first time we're seeing it in person?
Yes,
right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So I think we're pretty excited about this.
Very excited.
Should we walk around?
Let's do it.
We only got 10 minutes, guys.
In pictures, we saw lots of black plastic. Yeah, and look, there is a ton of black plastic here.
Yeah.
Let's look what 18.
What is your first impression?
I think, well, I love the blue. What is this? The cavalry?
Like it looks like a
heritage blue or cavalry, one of the two. I always get them mixed up.
Yeah, I think it's heritage blue.
It's really tall.
Here, let's come this way.
It's really tall, like a traditional Land Cruiser.
Yeah.
You got the camera in front there, the heritage font too, big fog lights.
Wow.
I mean, the styling definitely parallels the J250.
I gotta look at the gap.
Because this is,
this is prototype.
Prototype built.
In Thailand, right?
In Thailand, yeah.
It looks really good.
It looks nice. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Paint quality too.
Yep.
Beautiful. Actually, really beautiful in person. I'm in love with that.
It's so tall. In pictures, it looks super compact. Like is there anyone in the back seat? I'll get in the back seat.
Yeah, get in the back seat. Yeah. Okay.
Feels just like a 1958 Land Cruiser.
Kind of cheap, but that's okay.
Little tunnel here, no vents back here. There is a 12 volt.
Okay, let's walk in here.
We slide across. No sunroof. Got a 12-inch screen in the middle. Circular vents. Looks very familiar to other Land Cruiser products.
Yeah.
And just like the Land Cruiser J250, this panel looks familiar to you, right, David?
Yeah, it looks exactly like 250 series, like bigger buttons though. So but otherwise the basic feel is exactly like Land Cruiser. You know what? It's actually bigger than I thought. It looks quite roomy inside.
It feels like J7, so 70 series in the back seat.
Yeah. I mean, they said I actually measured the dimension or compared the dimension, and the length is exactly same as the new RAV4. Like down to like 0.1 inch. Exactly.
Oh wow.
Same width, different height, of course.
And people maybe were wondering about the spare tire. You can still see around it back there out the back window.
Yeah.
You see how it opens up like a refrigerator. Oh, there's Tommy. Look at these guys. What do you know?
What's going on?
We're all covering a car that's not coming to America.
There's a motor mouth too.
Yeah.
Hey, Andrea, how's it going? we beat you to the inside of a car though.
Yeah.
This is crazy. All the YouTubers are here. But Kirk and I have the first dib, right? We're gonna go into front.
David, get in the front seat.
Yeah, let's get in the front bit for people.
Getting out was pretty easy there. There was smart key access here on the front. Softer materials here on the front as well. Soft touch down. Oh no, it's not.
Tell me.
Soft touch.
What's going on?
Hard touch. You know, but it feels quality.
It's all hard plastic.
Thanks, guys. Shout out to Motor Mouth.
Yeah,
Shout out to TFL.
Everyone is here.
Here's your four-wheel drive select. A lot of people are saying, because in the press images, 4 high was closed off. You couldn't see it in the press images. I'm like, oh, maybe it's just 4 low and 2 high. But no, you get 4 high.
Flimsy.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, but it's a prototype still. Engine start here, which is always covered behind the steering.
Is there a key? No key.
2.3
and 7 inch.
7 inches on this side. But at least soft
startup screen.
This is soft here.
Yes, it is softer materials in the front.
Right? Everything. Oh, this is exactly like Land Cruiser.
Yes, this is very familiar. We got a compass here.
Yeah.
This is the kind of the older style software. It's not the new software seen in the RAV4.
Just waiting to get in.
Okay. We also have a USB-C.
Yeah, how's the center console here?
Yep. Oh, I love the manual parking brake. Look at the stitching here.
Nice stitching
Baseball
here.
Stitching.
Yeah.
Rear locker.
Yeah, rear locker, center differential. No. Yeah, there's center lock, right?
No center lock, just rear lock.
Just only rear. Okay.
Which is kind of weird.
That's surprising. Cost reduction.
Yeah, cost
the glove
reduction.
compartment looks so small. It's kind of small.
It's a bit small. Yeah, it's a bit small.
Yeah. But the basic design is what you'd expect.
It feels very Land Cruiser with the steering wheel,
Yeah,
the windshield as well. Very upright.
The mirror is not upright.
Yep. Blind spot monitor. This mirror looks like it's taken off of a 4Runner. TFL's getting in. We're getting out. Have fun in there, Roman. We all want this vehicle in America. Absolutely. And that's why all the American and Canadian media is going nuts over this thing. We're just taking it over here in Japan. We're making the most of it, and that's what makes it fun. It's a bit crazy, it's a bit hectic, but this is just one of many videos we're going to tackle, and we'll promise we'll get the quality down a little bit better. Everyone's just we've been looking forward to this for years.
That's right.
It's finally here.
It's finally here. And you know the thing is that the design is identical to what Best Car Magazine showed 2 years ago.
Best Car nailed it 2 years ago.
Right?
Yep.
They knew this car, they knew the design. There's people out here, but
Glossy on the outside and then matte here on the inside.
Yeah.
Yep.
And this one looks a little bit cheap, I think.
It does. It feels a little bit cheap
Maybe
too.
they'll revise
I
it
mean,
for production.
does plastic ever feel good?
Yeah, these are a little plasticky. Well, because they are plastic. It's underneath.
Skid plate, recovery point here.
Underneath?
Yeah. So David, is this vehicle going to come to the United States?
Well, right now there's no one is saying anything officially, so I don't think so. It's built in Thailand based on the Hilux platform.
Yes.
But I did hear the rumors that that's a possibility of some kind, some derivative, right?
As a Lexus, that's what I've heard. That's my at least. Not necessarily what I've heard, that's just the conclusions I've come to from the things I've heard.
Right, okay.
So I've heard that the UX could be replaced by a more off-roady vehicle that looks like a baby GX.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and if that's the case,
it could be this one.
It could be this.
Oh my goodness.
Rebadge it, put a different powertrain in here.
Yeah.
A hybrid more than likely.
That's
for a Lexus.
I'll be all over the place for that.
I know. Dave would be first in line. First sale in Canada.
In the world to buy it. baby GX, baby Land Cruiser FJ Lexus mod version.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's gonna be so great.
Because the materials in there, let's be honest, they're Toyota. Cheap Toyota. But we can't wait for this vehicle to come out. We'll see if it ever comes here. And just the very first of many vehicles for us to showcase here, Japan Mobility Show 2025.
Should we do a quick walk around to the back again? One more walk around?
Yeah. If we're going to get a lot of strangers in the shot, but let's do it.
Yeah, so the front, remember there's a different design in the front too. Remember there's two different versions.
There's circular headlights.
Yeah, they don't have that, but you know what? This rectangular headlight in the Land Cruiser FJ, I like it better than the square headlight in the regular Land Cruiser 250 series. I like it better. But you know what I really like? Kurt, here for a second. This thing here, it's kind of blackout design.
Even the wheel cover on the hitch.
That's cool. And the inside is pretty roomy.
Lots of space. Huge.
Very high leftover, but that's because it's body on the frame. But look at the quality of everything. This is built in Thailand, but it feels really well made.
And look, David, it looks like they wanted to put windows here. But there are no windows. So maybe a Lexus variant.
maybe. Remember, that's where the accessory pack is
They can put that there, yes.
Yeah, with the Molly
system.
Panels and stuff. But that is actually odd, right? That's a really bad view.
The blind spots are going to be enormous.
You're absolutely right. That is one surprising thing that we don't realize. Wow, there's so many crazy people here. I mean, sorry, not crazy people. So many number of people here. That's crazy. Is what I mean.
It is crazy.
Just get lost in black.
Solid rear, of course. Got the exhaust pipe here. Reverse light above it.
Exhaust, right?
Yep. Mud flaps. Looks amazing.
I like the three-dimensional thing. That sticks out.
Isn't that interesting? On the inside, they had that window-looking place, and then here it's just this big metal panel.
And this sticks out, but this really bad for like parking because it sticks.
Well, the bumper's going to stick out a lot further.
Stick out more. So
yeah, and then the tire is so big in the back that
that's true. Should be okay. What about the roof here?
Camera's right inside the tire.
Anything unusual here?
I want it. There's no reason it shouldn't. Like, honestly, the powertrain's a little old. Yeah. But now that regulations have changed, it could open the way for something like this. But like I said, Lexus is more likely the one with a hybrid. I would say, if I were to bet,
But look at the attention to detail here. I look at the welding points here.
Beautiful, clean,
really well done. I mean, almost looks like Tahara built car, you know? Well, the prototype might have been built in Japan.
It could have been. And if they're going to make a Lexus variant, that would be built in Japan more than likely.
Yeah.
Who knows? Who knows? Time will tell. All right, well, David's distracted. I'm going to shut it down. Thank you, guys. We'll catch you in the next one, and I'll see you in the comments for the baby Land Cruiser FJ. Oh, thank you so much, Louis. Yeah, I mean, you shrink down the J250. I think you did a great job. And it's all got to come to a cost, like a price point, right? Yeah, so I understand
it's very hard
why it's difficult. Yeah, but I like the, so is the round headlight style here?
We are not presenting
Oh,
here,
okay.
but in the future we're gonna
Okay.
produce that. Yeah.
Excellent. No, you did a great job.
Thank you. Oh, it's not my personal stuff, so we were working as a team, but the original idea is from me. So.
Yeah, well, claim that. It's my my idea. Yeah.
Thank you.
Well
Yeah,
done. It's going to sell
I
so
heard
well.
You want like a Lexus version.
I do.
So
I know you can't say anything.
I cannot say that.
But I can hope and dream. I mean, I don't know if you saw, but like a bunch of American, Canadian media swarmed this thing.
Yeah.
First time we saw it. So the interest is there for America, but can you bring it with tariffs, with all the regulations we have? It makes it difficult.
And also the concept is different. Right?
He's the lead designer. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, we got two voices going at the same time.
This is the lead designer, though.
Konnichiwa. So the whole time I'm talking to Andrea.
But you can cut that out too.
Yeah, I guess. Well, yeah, I guess so.
Yeah,
we'll
yeah.
figure out. So anyway, かっこいいですよね。
Yeah.
北米に来ますか？
英語でもいい。
英語でもいい。Can you bring it to North America?
Currently, we don't have that plan. Yeah.
But can you possible?
But some fans, I'm pretty sure they're gonna do that.
Import?
Yeah.
But you're the lead designer for outside?
Exterior design. Yeah.
Exterior design. Wow, so beautiful.
Yes.
I love it. Like a baby, like literally baby Land Cruiser.
In some ways, it looks
we
better.
don't call it that in that way, but
Yeah.
we just call it Land Cruiser. It's a true Land Cruiser, and it's a FJ.
Yeah.
And where you're based in Japan?
Before I based in Japan, this one is done in Japan. But
Yeah.
now I'm based in California.
Oh, in
Oh,
California. Oh, okay. But it's built in Thailand, right?
Yeah. It's a global car.
Oh, and what was your name again?
Louis. Oh, if you. I can
You have a
give
card?
you-
Oh, great. I have a card with me.
My card's in my
somewhere.
bag.
So here. Kirk, hold that
Do
for
it?
a
I'll
second.
hold it.
I've seen
Wow.
your two guys like,
Oh,
channel
thank
for
you
a long
so
time.
much. Oh, you don't, I don't have my. Oh,
We're not going to get their cards on camera, but this is cool.
Yeah, thank you. I have my.
Maybe I will comment your videos.
Yeah, you're already being filmed. You're on the
Oh.
film already, so you're definitely. I'm trying to find.
This
my-
is the legend.
I have to be careful.
He's a
Yeah.
So we have a Lou, right?
And
Louis.
Yeah.
My card. You guys can see how the Japanese does the business card.
Oh, yeah.
exchange. Yeah, beautiful, amazing. This is for you.
Thank you, Louis.
So, wow, this is amazing. It's so beautiful. We want it in the U.S., but actually we want it in Canada more even.
Oh,